guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be with Evan, Dual Godzilla, and we are on Deathmatch and I see. Hey,
where
Evan.
are you?
Shut.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh. Please like and subscribe at the end of this video, and you know what to do for the likes. Grenade! How'd you not die? Oh, there you go.
I did die. What do you think?
I thought you died from a grenade. Grenades are like very easy to die from.
I did.
barely any ammo on my plasma pistol. Oh, I saw.
I don't care. No, mommy.
And hopefully you died and you did not die.
Yeah, I'm at 4 heart.
So you didn't die?
No, I'm not dead yet.
You rose from the dead. You're Jesus.
Chase off for the win.
Jesus for the win.
What?
Evan, you would never find me.
Like you not find me?
You would never find me, Elmo. I'm so addicted to the ammo.
Elmo? What?
Elmo, my ammo.
So what now?
Elmo, I got you. I'm the best Evan.
You're not the best.
Evan.
Oh my.
Oh, my panda got your butt.
I'm veggie.
My panda's still gonna eat you.
No, he's not. If he's dead. Get wrecked.
What? How many hearts
I'm
do you have?
the one. 2 hearts, so I'm gonna just kill myself.
Yeah, I got kill assist.
You have no idea where I am, and you would never know.
You would never know where I am.
Not if I kill you.
So, oh wait, you already see me, don't you? Hey, Evan!
Yep, you're
up here!
Hi. Ah!
You're so bad at this. You need the double jump boost.
I hate the double jump boost. It sucks.
Boots.
I'm going where you are. I'm bringing it. I'm bringing my chainsaw.
Oh no.
Rick.
Your chainsaw.
I hate parkour.
Evan, you're so bad. You're so bad at maps like this. Got 50. Oh, hey, Evan. Goodbye, Evan. Oh, wait, I failed. And I died from my own thing.
Get wrecked!
I got a penalty.
Yeah, you deserve a penalty.
I threw a grenade at the wrong thing. Yeah.
Grenade!
Oh, dang, I forgot. How long was this?
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3 minutes so far. This is going to be short. I won!
Oh my god. No, for the 4th time.
For the 4th time because you keep killing yourself.
In the video.
It's only been 3 minutes.
I gotta go. We're gonna go eat.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye. Wait, one more round.
One more round, guys, in 3 minutes. One
more
round of Evan dying. You're so bad. You don't even know me. No.
That's your fault. That's your fault. I
died too, Evan. You want to
Dun. Okay, I'm bringing out the sniper.
Oh,
What are you shooting at?
Evan, goodbye. No, you blew up. You blew him up. Oh, you can't touch him.
Oh my god.
I only have 2 hearts left, Evan. I'm not going to kill myself. I must survive to the very end.
Okay. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, I failed.
That was your fault.
Okay, Evan.
I'm gonna hide.
So am I. We have to use our snipers.
Okay. You go on the other side. You go on the one with the water. In the cave.
Okay.
Let me snipe each other. Well, where are you?
Evan?
Not that one, the other one.
Oh, Evan? Oh, Evan, move. My pet's going to eat you.
Ah! I hate
Oh, wait, you didn't die from it.
but I almost died. Okay, we got 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Evan?
Loading. Loading. What are you doing?
I'm doing grenades. No! Oh, no, move, Panda. We must use all the bullets we have. For a good reason. We have 15.
Oh, God! Oh, my God!
You suck.
So do you. Oh, okay.
Evan, I sniped you, and you did. Oh,
that's you get.
Eagle.
Dude, I spawned right behind you. It was so hilarious. Okay, I'm coming in with the kill.
I'm coming in for my kill.
What?
I got the ammo I got for myself and from you.
Yes. Coming in for the win!
What?
Get it!
Freaking alien pistol.
39 seconds.
We're going to finish this. In a melee.
Okay, ready to go. Melee weapon, melee fight.
Melee fight. At the end, we have a primary fight.
Hang on.
It's time to eat.
Oh.
Alright, bye.
I win. 20 seconds.
Finish this with their pistols. 10 seconds. 10.
Cody?
9, 8.
You were always
7.
the best, but...
It's okay, Evan. I'm with you.
But I won, though.
Nope. Oh, wait, what? I got my...
Okay, good game. Goodbye.
GG.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'm going to end the
Bye.
video here, and goodbye,
I gotta eat.
guys.
I'll call you later.